I would like us to investigate or explore the idea behind the alternate segment theorem. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an application to explore this. But before I explore it, I just want to mention a few things here. Now, this is a tangent, and then this one is a chord. Okay, that is called a chord. Now, a chord divides a circle into two parts. This part here will be called minor segment. So that will be minor segment. And then this part here will be the major segment. Major segment. Okay? So we have a chord dividing a circle into two parts. We have a minor segment, major segment, and then we have a tangent. What we want to investigate is the relationship between these angles. This angle and this angle. And we also want to see the relationship between this angle and this angle. All right. So what I'm going to do is to open an application that will help us to explore that. So if you look at this application here, we can see that these angles here, the blue ones, these ones are equal no matter what. This is 51.2, this is 51.2. Even if I move B around, okay, those angles are equal. And also here we can see that this angle and this angle are equal. In fact, we can see that the angle between the tangent and the chord, this angle here between the tangent and the chord, is equal to the angle at the circumference here in the alternate segment, in the other segment. Remember, we are this angle is in this segment and this angle is the other segment. So what we can say is that the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle at the circumference in the alternate segment. Okay? And this is what we call the alternate segment theorem. So we can go ahead and write that statement and say that the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle at the circumference in the alternate segment. Okay, so this is the alternate segment theorem. The angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle at the circumference in the alternate segment. As you can see, we have a minor segment and a major segment. Now, we can use this theorem to work out a few questions. So let's look at some examples. In A, BAD is 29 degrees. So BAD, this angle here is 29. Find ACB. ACB. Okay, this angle here. So obviously, by alternate segment theorem, these angles will be equal. Okay, this angle will be 29 as well. So you can say ACB will be 29 degrees by alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. Okay. And the same applies in this question. If CAE is 27, this is 27, it means that this angle here will be 27 as well. Okay, so you can just go ahead and say ABC will be 27 degrees.